Let's migrate your database using OEC.sh. First of all, log in with your OEC.sh account using email and password. Then click on Servers and check Servers. Now go to Migrations and click on Start Migration. Here you have to select migration source where your Odoo instance is currently hosted and hit Continue. Here you have to upload your backup. You can paste your cloud URL, or you can upload zip file by drag and drop. Then click on Start Upload. It will start uploading your file after uploading. It will start analyzing your backup and give you details of your Odoo instance. Check it and click Configure and Deploy. Now you can see Configure and Deploy button again. Click on it for complete analysis. Then select that you want to deploy in new project or an existing project. Click on Create New Project. And then give your project name. And you can skip repository or connect it if you want. Then click Create Project. Also, it will make New Environment. Environment name comes by default. Select Environment Type and select Server. Then select CPU cores, select RAM, and select Storage. Now select Configuration Preset. You can select Auto or select from Manual Preset and click Create Environment. After created environment, deploy it. It will take a few minutes to deploy. After deployment, successfully, you can check every details with environment size, live monitoring, and recent deployments. You are successfully migrate your database in OEC.sh.